Ciao bedazzi! Today's recipe screams Palermo. We're going to make Pacchio. I'm not actually sure where the name Pacchio comes from. I don't know the origin, but here's what we need to make this dish. Chopped onions, chopped garlic, some basil, and tomatoes. First thing we gotta do, our water is boiling, we get our tomatoes and we cut them right at the bottom. We kind of make a cross, like this, and then we boil. Now for the seasoning, I'm just going to add 3 things: salt, black pepper, and basil. Sauce, the more it cooks, the better. So I'll just keep it going and keep it cooking until the pasta is ready. Just make sure you mix it so it doesn't stick to the pan. Oh guys, can you smell it? Ah, the smell is unreal! So our pasta is ready. I'm just gonna add one last thing. Some vegan Parmesan cheese. Oh, this is so good, guys. Ciao, buon appetito. I gotta go to eat.